Right, so what we have here is a small package from Kakobuy, the buying agent that I'm actually using at the moment. Now, my previous video, I said we'll do the shipping on that haul that I purchased. Well, this isn't that. This is a smaller, just under 3 kg haul. I also have another haul coming. This is shoes, the other one is clothing, and basically the big haul that I've ordered in the last video, a few bits are either out of stock or they sent the wrong size, or there's been a few issues with some of the items that I ordered and they've been sent back for a refund, and a few other bits have been ordered as well. So that one's a little bit delayed because we're waiting for new stock to come in so that I can actually do the shipping video on that. But just after I actually recorded the last video, my daughter and my wife wanted a few bits for them and for my granddaughter, so I set up 2 other hauls that are arriving. This one arrived today. It took about 2 weeks to turn up from sorting out shipping, and the other one is due. It's just landed in the UK today, so hopefully that'll be here in about 3 or 4 days time by the time it gets through customs. But we're going to crack this one open because I'm excited to see some of this stuff, because it is my granddaughter's 2nd birthday at the end of April, and there's a birthday present in here for her, as well as other bits. Now, get the box open. This cost £44 to be shipped. It's just under 3 kg, and yeah, it arrived really quickly. So we're gonna dive into this and check it out. First box, this is shoes for my granddaughter, and I'm excited about these because there's 2 different pairs. We've got one size that she can wear straight away and one size up, which she'll grow into and then take over from these. Now, these are the ones that she's going to grow into. They're a UK 7. They're a UK 7 for toddlers. But my daughter chose these for her, and these are the Adidas Gazelles, but they are the Woody shoes. Got the Velcro on the side like the normal children's Gazelles. But yeah, look how cool these are. These are the ones that my daughter chose out. I say Woody, but I actually think they're Jess. Yeah, they've got a little Jess on the tongue there. And they weren't overly expensive. And yeah, on this tongue it just says Adidas, but yeah, little children's Gazelles. How cool are they? And with the Toy Story theme, which is quite cool. Now this pair is the pair that we've actually got her that she could wear straight away, which are her size. And this is going to be her birthday present for the end of the month. We also got her a few other bits, one of them being she's a massive Stitch fan, like most kids are really, and we got her an exclusive Pandora charm for her Pandora bracelet, which is a Stitch Disney exclusive for the parks. But you know, and these are the Adidas Gazelles because she likes the Gazelles. She had a pair previously, grew out of them. She's now in New Balance, but yeah, my daughter wants her back in Gazelles. But I got her the Hello Kitty ones, and there was a fair few different choices, but I went with the white black with the little bow tie, and if you can see, it's sort of stitched in Hello Kitties, and they are super cute. On the other shoe, you've got a little Hello Kitty charm. But yeah, how cool are they? Yeah, she's gonna love them. She's gonna look, I'm just gonna say it, she's gonna look super cool in them. And yeah, they're a 6, which is her current shoe size. So they're the 2 pairs that we've got for our granddaughter. And the next pair of shoes, now I got 2 pairs, one for my daughter, one for my wife. My daughter was super excited about these. I've not seen them before, but they are a collaboration, I believe, between Crocs and Uggs. And they classed, on the website they came up as surgeon shoes, and my wife is a nurse, so she's actually going to be wearing these to work. But yeah, oh, super fluffy inside. It's not your standard sort of Croc style, but it's got this elasticated elastic on the side, super fluffy inside. And yeah, my daughter actually put me onto these because yeah, they're she works as a pharmacist, and yeah, how cool are they? I really like them. And no box, but that's not an issue because my wife's got the next size up. And she doesn't know about these. But yeah, check them out. They're pretty cool. And yeah, she's going to be wearing them to work. So obviously I'll put all the links in the description below. None of these were, I think these were the most expensive. I can't actually remember off the top of my head how much they were, but these were the most expensive, which are for my wife. But yeah, the delivery really quick. She actually saw these when we were in Paris. When we went to the shopping centre there, just outside there was this big shopping area. We got some North Face jackets from there. It was very posh, very posh. But yeah, I bought my wife some Uggs, but these are the Ugg trainers. I got them in a nice sort of tanned colour. But yeah, she has quite wide feet, and she complains a lot about most shoes not overly fitting her. She's wearing her Vomeros a lot at the moment. She really likes them. But yeah, I decided to get her these Ugg trainers. These were just under £50, I think they were. But yeah, they're super fluffy inside. They're going to be perfect for her, especially when, although we're coming into the spring, in the winter these are going to be amazing for her. But yeah, I got her these, and these are really nice, really plush. The material's amazing. Laces, yeah, they are really nice. I'm looking forward to her trying these on. But yeah, it's just a small haul that I got. We obviously, the other one should be here in a few days, and I'll do another video on that. But yeah, Kakobuy deliveries really quick. These all arrived into their warehouse within 2-3 days of ordering them, and yeah, the shipping didn't take long at all. I actually had them shipped midway through our holiday, and we've been back for about a week and a half. So yeah, about 2 weeks for it all to turn up. It did say 8 to 10 working days. So yeah, that's about right. Now, obviously, if you want to try Kakobuy, all the links in the description below, links to all the shoes that I purchased, as well as my code that if you type in into the coupon section, because obviously you get, I think it's $350 worth of shipping vouchers. If you put my code JB1Kenobi in where the shipping coupons are, there's a code. It's a code you can actually claim $15 worth of free shipping voucher, and yeah, it's on any amount, so you can save $15 off your first shipping. But yeah, I'm really impressed with their delivery service, how quick it was, and I'm going to go give my wife her shoes and let her try them on. So yeah, if you want to try Kakobuy, links in the description, discount code in the description as well as links to the shoes. But on that note, thank you so much for watching. If you're new to the channel, please hit the subscribe button. And if you enjoyed the video, please leave a like, and we'll be back with the next haul very soon. Thanks for watching. Adios.